Hello everyone. Welcome to the another video of testing class. So the topic that we are going to cover is how to get freelancing QA projects. So this is the alert for all the freelancer QA who are looking for some project work. So you must be thinking like developer used to get some freelancing work, content writer used to get, graphic designer used to get it, but how as a QA we can get some freelancing work. So 6 month, 1 year back, I was searching for the same. Then I got to know few sites regarding that, and I got or I have completed few projects. And let's start. So I'll show you like how I got all those things and how you can do that. So let me share my screen. So this is the application, like this is the Fiverr that I am using for freelancing. So as you can see, recently I have worked with multiple person. Those belongs to, obviously out of India, and they used to ping me on Fiverr regarding the freelancer project. So I have done or completed projects like some used to provide me $300, some was providing only 50, some was providing 70, some was providing only 20 or $30. So these are the project that I have completed. So they basically ping you regarding their requirement. So first of all, you have to create your profile in Fiverr, and you have to uh, publish or create a gig where you can mention all those things that you are currently doing. So suppose you are a manual tester and you are pretty good in writing test cases, so you can showcase like what all project you have done, what all skills you have used in your projects. Like if I talk about manual, then it includes your manual testing as well as API manual testing. Or if you're good at writing test cases and your client need that, you can showcase like these are the defect reports that I have shared, these are the test cases, test case design, test plan, strategy that I use have prepared in my project. So you can showcase the same in your gig. So once your gig is ready, wait for the ping for the from the different free client. So they will ping you, and you'll get the detail regarding what all we can do. So in this way you can start your gig and start uh, preparing for Fiverr for freelancing QA. There are some clients who can give you multiple or multiple tasks, or if they like your task, this might be extended to 6 month projects or 1 year project. One of my friend who is working as freelancer as a React developer. So previously he was called for only 1 month freelancing work, but the client, consider his work is pretty good. So they are still continuing. From the last 1 year. So you can get the same. So please, start if you are interested in all those freelancing for QA, then you can also start. There are other sites like Upwork, Freelancer, and there could be multiple website where you can create your profile, you can showcase your work, and you can, if you are automation candidate, you can showcase your reports, tools, technology. You can mention tools. They used to ask like, how what all you will provide him. Like if you are going to give you the test cases in a document format, or how many days you will take to test the application, whatever the your client is giving you. So it is just, it is up to us. Like, so thank you for watching. If you have any question regarding that, just ping me. And don't forget to subscribe it, because we as a QA can do a lot more. Thank you.